In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bullet journal in Notion. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll have a ready-to-use digital bullet journal that you can customize to fit your life. All you need is a Notion account open on your computer or tablet. First, from your Notion workspace, look toward the sidebar or top navigation and find the option that says Marketplace. This is where Notion offers pre-built templates created by Notion and other creators. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. It may take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see a gallery of different templates you can explore. Next, we're going to search specifically for a bullet journal template. At the top of the Marketplace page, locate the search bar. Click into the search field and type in bullet journal. As you type, Notion will start filtering the available templates. After a moment, you should see a result called bullet journal appear in the list or grid below. When you see the bullet journal template, click on it to open its details page. This page usually gives you a quick overview of what the template includes, along with some screenshots to help you visualize how it works. Take a moment to glance through the description so you know what sections and features you're getting, such as daily logs, monthly overviews, or habit trackers. Once you're ready to add it to your workspace, look for the button that says Add. It's typically located near the top right of the template page. Click on Add. This tells Notion to copy that template into your own workspace so you can edit and personalize it without affecting the original version in the marketplace. After you click Add, Notion will guide you through some on-screen prompts. These prompts might include selecting which workspace or team space you want to add the template to, and sometimes choosing a specific page or area where it should live. Follow each prompt carefully. Confirm the workspace, choose the destination, and wait a moment for Notion to finish creating your copy. When the process is complete, the bullet journal template will open automatically as a new page in your workspace. From here, you can start renaming sections, adjusting layouts, and filling it in with your own tasks, events, and notes, turning it into a personalized digital bullet journal that